Hi friends, I am planning to conduct a series of sessions about Spring Boot. Please join the channel. We can learn together and we can make a wonderful application using Spring Boot. So the prerequisite of this course is you have to know Java. Before jumping into the programming, we have to install uh, Java SDK. So Java SDK is a software development kit which will help to develop Java applications. So you can see here I just opened this link, so I will add this link in the description as well. So these are the list of available Java versions released recent times. So before jumping to the SDK version, before selecting the SDK versions, we have to know which one will support the Spring Boot. So to do that, we have to go to the Spring Initializer. You can see this is a website. So start.spring.io. This is we can initialize the Spring Boot. So just to go to the Spring Boot, and we have to select the stable version. So you can see here at the bottom in this page, Java version 8, 11, 17 and 18 are supporting. So we have to choose which version we have to run. So most of the people are running 11 or 17. It is now it's nobody is using. Most of the guys are using. So if you have to use or if you like to use the Java 8, there's no issues. You can go and you can select the Java 8 version. So before, one more thing I am highlighting here, you can see here there is a one point it is mentioned, one symbol LTS which is mentioned just beside of the Java version. So LTS, which means that long-term support. Long-term support means it will be support some extent. So you can see here if you are selecting the Java 8, it will be support maximum December 2030. So it's a very long-term support. So you can choose the Java 8, which will support again 8 more years. So it is a very good option. And another thing is that Java 7, Java 11, but it will support 2023, and it will extended support is 2026. So same like all other versions. So choose which one is good for you and which how long you have to support. So it is not a issue actually. We can update the Java version later, but before starting that, make sure that which one is good for you, which one is suitable for your machine. So select the one and download and install. I will show you where you can download the Java versions. Okay, so we already seen that what is the LTS version. So next thing is that we have to download. So to download this thing, so we have to go to this particular link. So I will add this link in the description box and choose which device you are running. So if you are working with Windows, you can use the exe file or something. UX is the best one, so you don't have to do anything. Simply install it. And Linux, you can choose that appropriate things, but I am working with Mac OS, so I have to choose the correct one. So you can see there is an DMG installer that is, I think that is suits for me, and I am thinking to go with the Java 17 or Java 11. So because for Java 17 it will be extended, it will give the extended support. And if you have finalized your version, simply click on the DMG installer or corresponding installer you have. Then once it is done, simply install it. I'm not showing that how to install the Java because I'm for my machines I already installed, and for the Windows users and Mac Linux users, choose appropriate Java SDK and install it. This is a common step for the, if you previously developed the Java applications, just to verify that you have the correct versions installed. So I recommending to you that it should be at least Java 8. Java 8 is the best options, and if it is higher, it will be good actually. So hope you can install. For installing for the, I will show in my machine. So once it is it's download and double click and install it. So I'm not continuing with this thing because for my machine I already installed it. I don't want it to override anything, so I'm just simply canceling. So if you are not installed, please do it. Okay, once you complete the Java installation, next thing is we have to install the IDE. IDE is the special software, so which will help us to do the programming. So most of you are developers, so you might know that what is IDE. So there are two tools I can show you. One is Spring Tool Suite 4. So this is an Eclipse based tool, so which will give you the which will help us to implement Spring Boot application easily. Most of them are using this one because this is a free software. If you like to go, if you are more comfortable with the Eclipse, so I can suggest that go with the Spring Tool Suite. And if you're not such good with the Spring tools, or you are in the Android developer or something, so I can suggest that you can go with IntelliJ. So IntelliJ is but the main problem with IntelliJ is this ID is not free basically, so we have to pay some money. I think it's a monthly base or yearly billing. So basically it's a monthly wise thing. So I don't know whether this is while you are watching this video, this is the same pricing, so go and check with that. So another thing is that this is an ultimate version of the IntelliJ. So for now, I am also using the IntelliJ for this course, but I am not using the IntelliJ Ultimate because I don't want it to show all automated thing. So I will do it everything manually. It will help us to learn easily. So for the development perspective, for this particular session perspective, I am just going to use the free version. So free version will help us. So for the if you wanted to go with the free version, simply click on the download link, which I did just before. So there is an ultimate and a community version. So ultimate version, so you can use the ultimate version for the 30 days free trial, and I'm going with the community version. This is just like a same. So I'm using my Mac machine, so I have to go with the IntelliJ, sorry, DMG file. And for the Windows users, check which one is suitable. For the community, exe files are available, and for the Linux version is also the corresponding packages installer is available. So go with the one which is good for your OS versions and install it. For this one, I can simply say that I can simply click this particular link, and for my machine is Intel based chip, so I can click on the Intel thing and I will download it. Just wait for a moment, let it complete it. Okay, once it is completed, we can simply click on the downloader icon and just drag and drop to the application, so it will start work. But I'm already installed it, that is why I'm not doing this. For if you're not installed, please go ahead and install it. So this is all about today's session. So we'll back next Sunday. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe for the next upcoming videos, and we will see you next Sunday somewhat time. Thank you. Bye.